mommies, so I've decided to do my very first unboxing, and this is going to be an unboxing of the Filofax Saffiano Compact Planner Wallet, and I plan on using it just as that, as my budgeting planner wallet, and I'm using the envelope system, so I thought this would be perfect. I ordered it from Amazon and it just got here. I ordered it in the color pink, and it's looking, right now it's looking like it's more of a fluorescent pink. So they do have it wrapped in this protective sheet here. So this is what it looks like in the case. So this is what it looks like outside of the packaging, and right off the back the color is pretty bright. So I suggest if you're not into the fluorescent colors, this color might not be for you, but it is made of that Saffiano leather, so it is well made, and it has the Filofax emblem there, and again the Filofax logo is here. I just don't think you can see it there. And then there's a pocket in the back here, and it is the zip around wallet, so let's go ahead and open it. So opening it up, this is what it looks like, and it looks like it comes with the inserts already. So let's just go ahead and do a quick flip through. So it looks like it comes with some dividers, some to-do lists, some blank pages there, and then some sheets for contact information, personal information, and then it also comes with inserts or daily inserts. I don't think it comes with any monthly inserts. Nope, it doesn't come with any monthly inserts, so I will be ordering those separate. And then when you flip to the back, there is an elastic pocket here. And then it's like an accordion style, so when you open it up, there's another pocket here, an area for 6 card slots on this side and 6 card slots on this side. And then there's a pocket here. There's another pocket in the back. So we're going to go ahead and flip to the front side here, and then on the front side here you do have another pocket, and in front of that I just want to quickly show you that it does have the Filofax logo again, and it is, again, this is the Filofax Saffiano Compact Organizer. Here's a pocket here, and then a zip pocket here for coins, and then you flip into the inside and there are more places for cards. And then there's another pocket in the back here, and also a pen loop. So I'm thinking maybe a thin pen would be your best bet to put in that. And quickly, here is a sizing reference. So I'm currently using this wallet. It's just a basic wallet from Target, and I've had this for, I want to say 3 years now, but here is just a sizing reference in comparison. So you can see that the Saffiano is a little wider, but as far as height, it's about the same, and width is about the same, well, maybe a little thicker. So that's my little Filofax compact organizer, and once I have this all set up for my budgeting system, I will do another video on that. So please subscribe down below so you don't miss that video coming up soon, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye!